Stop buying burger buns from the store. Today I am making soft, fluffy, bakery style burger buns at home that are better than anything you can buy. First of all, I have taken 450 ml of warm milk. The temperature should be between 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Fifty gram of sugar, 11 gram of dry yeast, and I am going to mix it well. And I am going to leave it 5 to 10 minutes until it gets foamy. Now I am going to add 10 gram of salt, 2 eggs, now I am going to add 80 gram of soft butter and 800 gram of all-purpose flour. Now I am going to use dough mixer and I am going to make dough. Dough is ready now. Now I have taken some oil and I am going to brush on bowl. I am going to transfer dough into this bowl. And I am going to cover it and I will keep around 1 to 1.5 hours. So now it has been fermented well. Now I am going to punching down using soft fist. Now I have taken some flour and I am going to dust on the table. Now I am going to transfer this dough into the table. Now I have taken dough cutter and I am going to divide into equal part. Now I am going to use a scale and each portion should be 100 gram and I am going to shape it into a small ball. So you can see how I made it. Now I am going to put on the baking tray. And I am going to press lightly on top. And I am going to let it rise for 45 to 60 minutes. So after 1 hour you can see it has been fermented well. Now I am going to apply egg wash on top of it. And finally I am going to sprinkle some sesame seed. Now I am going to bake it 370 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. It is ready now. I am going to remove from the oven and I am going to make it cool down. Now I am going to cut into 1 by 2 and you can see how soft it is. And look at these beautiful homemade burger buns, perfectly soft, fluffy and golden on the outside. Once you try these fresh homemade buns, you will never want to go back to store-bought again. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to Chef Bimal Kitchen for more delicious recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next recipe.